Female employee gunned down at Naggo Head bus terminal. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman was shot dead inside the Naggo Head bus park in Portmore, St. Catherine on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as 33-year-old Jodian Thompson, a cleaner at the facility who resides in Naggo Head. 3 other persons were reportedly injured in a separate shooting incident in nearby Gregory Park, also in Portmore, St. Catherine on Saturday. In relation to the Naggo Head incident, preliminary reports are that sometime about 10 a.m., Thompson was in a bus park when she was pounced upon by a gunman who shot her several times before escaping. She was shot in the upper part of the body. She tried to escape her attackers, however she later collapsed. During the incident, commuters were sent scampering for cover as the gunman pumped bullets in the air and also inside the bus park. However, there was no report of any further injury. Thompson was subsequently taken to hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. A motive for the shooting incident has not yet been established, but some residents have theorized that the murder could be gang-related. The details surrounding the shooting incident in Gregory Park, which happened close to midnight, were not available up to the publication of this report, but it is understood that 3 persons were injured. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.